Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm playing Roblox Meet City, and we're going to be playing with my sister. Yeah, so this is her house, it's red, don't know why. Okay, let's go inside. Give a tour, please. Hashtag my natural habitat. Yeah, a bigger one. I am on my boy account. My name's Max. Why is the floor green? Ain't nobody gonna be peeking in on my ass. But it says Sam's and Max's name. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's go back downstairs. Let's... I'm hungry, Mom. Make me some food right now. Ooh, yummy. Guys, what should I have? An apple? You have to click on it, that's why. Come here, Mom. Okay, Mom, can we go to the playground, or no? Oh, wait, yeah, there already is a playground. Oh, look at all these colors, Mom. Mom! Mom! Ooh, stroller, where? Sleepy? Ooh. Okay, Mom. If you knew that would hurt my feelings, why would you say that? Ooh, yummy. I love my bottle. Next minute they bring out binkies. Like, dummies. Run away! Wait, what? Okay, I'll just be on this roof. Wow, I love how you don't care. Just like, oh, okay, son, you can just stay on the roof, I guess. I don't care if you die. Mommy, I'm gonna jump! How much money do you have? Wow, I have 600. Okay, Dr. May. fishing rods. Nah, I don't want a fishing rod. Oh my lord, they're like $100, like thousands of dollars. I'm good. Okay, let's just go. Oh my lord! Okay, Mom, let's go home. I'm tired. Wah! Wah! I want to go home, Mommy, now. Oh, remember at the start when we weren't filming, this girl's like, say ABC for Mom, say ABC for Mom, say ABC for Mom, say ABC for Mom. Oh my god, I hated her. That was so annoying. Like, I'm just like, and she was like talking to me. I was just like, oh hell no. Like, already, girl, talk to me that way. Wait, can you actually do that? That's so. Pretend. Mommy, are these books real? Grabs book or whatever. Oh, Mommy, I'm in timeout. Yeah? Duh. Night, Mom. It's ugly, that's what. Mom, change my diaper. Change my diaper. Change my diaper. Change my diaper. Okay, we have some new things here. What is the new things? Oh, hell no. Okay. We need some pajamas. Oh, I know. This way. I'm getting my PJs. I hate dinner. You make me eat too much vegetables. Wait, you haven't even got an oven yet? Wow. Yummy. Okay, anyway, let's get some food in my belly before I die. Mommy, can I die? Why? 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 What? Can I come? No. Oh. Wah. No, I don't want to watch TV. I'd rather die. Yeah, calm down. Oh my dad, it's a race car! Baby. Don't judge me, girl. I look ugly. Oh, please do not kiss me. Excuse. Can I sleep there? Help me, Mom! Look at my head! It's floating on a meat. Mom, help! Mom! Mom, help! My head, it's on a meat. Help! Oh my god, I'm in the playground! All my corpses are everywhere! No, I don't want to go fishing. I'm literally just ahead now. Please come pick me up. Come pick me up. I'm by the guy who's trying to sell fish. Come pick me up. Yeah. Near where you like buy toys and stuff. Help me. Hello, sir? Why is there a fish eating your head? Mom, I see my legs! Oh, Mom, I see my corpse! Help me. Mom, where are you? Don't call me sweetie. You're at the fishing guy? Oh, there we are. I can just go to Roberts. Please work. Mom? It says you have telephone with me, but I can't see you. Probably because I'm ahead. Just ahead. Where are you? I'm near that guy with all those fishing boxes. Okay. Mom, help. I'm just ahead. Help me. Oh my god, I see you. You're near the kids' morph thing, aren't you? Come towards that fishing guy. Near that girl with the blue stroller. Come towards that fishing guy. No. Come. Yeah. He's over me. Mom, I'm right here. Look at me. No. I'm near that fishing guy. Help me. I'm just ahead. I tried. Please, just get out your vesting and I'll click on you. So that seems to work. God help me. Come closer. Closer. Ooh, Mommy, I see your undies. Okay, hang on. I can't! Maybe just leave and rejoin? Yeah, that's what it said. Wow. Oh no. Oh no, you didn't, girl. Oh, well guys, that's gonna end it here. It was very nice recording with my sister. Say bye. Bye. Bye, Felicia's. Bye, baby. Bye. Oh, and comment what you want our YouTube name to be.